This is the video for routine 102 and routine 103 of the Find Gifts game. It starts out by setting O to 1. That's the control register for the image number. Then it sets T for tall to 330, W to wide of 1010, UV, which are the XY positions when it is a put action it's going to be performed. So it's really going to be X0 and Y of 90. Then it does the put of image 1. I have to tell you that the T and W here were superfluous. I only put them there to remind you of the size of what this put is. It's the 200 gifts shown at the bottom of the screen. Because the get instruction was 310 by 1010, the put instruction did not need to know that information. Next, we switch the control register for the image to 3, and I put tall and wide just to remind you what size image 3 is. And then here it says put it on the screen at UV, which are the XY positions for a put, at 640, and it does the put. That is the 6 gifts that are to be found. Now we'll go over routine 103. This routine will outline all the gifts that are part of those to be found. It's going to outline them in the list of 200. But first it says if show answer is not equal to 1, go to DE, and then it just goes home. But if show answer is a 1, then it sets the Q for quill to 4. That's how wide lines are going to be. Then it sets T and W to 34 each. That's the size of a gift. Then it says the color is black, and then it says for I of 0 and down here to 5, so that's for all 6 of the gifts. It's going to set X to the X value in the matrix list and Y to the Y value in the matrix list. These are the positions in the 200 possible gifts, but where the ones are that are part of the answer. Next it says it's going to do a rectangle draw. That is, it's going to draw a rectangle around this area. Well, that's going to make it look like it framed it. For instance, I will now go to the game, and I will click on answer, and notice it framed all the answer ones in black. I'll go back to the program. Then after that, it just goes home. Well, this is the end of the video for routines 102 and 103 of the Find Gifts game.